Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I am audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Just check it. If everything is fine, we can start the session. Discussion is going to be around 16th and 17th of October current affairs. It is the show called TNA by Aditya sir. So welcome to all of you for your daily current affairs session. Okay, so all well? Good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning. I was unable to come live from last 3-4 days because of the setup and all, but now we will be able to do the sessions continuously in the format of live itself. ठीक है, चलिए start कर लेते हैं discussion को. So discussion will be around 16th and 17th of 16th and 17th of October current affairs. Each and every important information regarding the current affairs I am going to share within the session, based on all your upcoming exam pattern. Either it is IBPS PO or SBI PO or ECGC PO or the interview like RRB PO. Okay. So welcome to Guidely. Do subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. Starting with the news highlight, Reserve Bank of India to introduce recipient name verification real-time recipient verification system in the real-time gross settlement, that is in RTGS and in NEFT. So it was the announcement made by Reserve Bank of India during the monetary policy meeting in October 2024, and we have already seen in the previous examination that the questions, even the updated questions came in the examination based on the limit of UPI Lite wallet, right? That what is the limit of UPI Lite wallet? That was updated on the 9th of October, and that was there in the question in RRB clerk means also. So we can again expect the question based on the monetary policy update in the upcoming examination as well. So I'll explain this news also in detail. What is this news all about? वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेशन में ही आज. ठीक है, चलिए. गुड मॉर्निंग, ऑल वेल, वेरी गुड यार, ऑल वेरी गुड. चलिए, सेकेंड न्यूज है आपके पास. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है प्लान to establish a repository. What is the meaning of repository? Repository is the collection of data, collection of information. So data repository, that is data collection for integrating the climate risk information. So whatever the banking and financial institutions are offering loan in the market, because of their loan, how much risk is generated to the climate, based on that data will be collected by Reserve Bank of India. That it will make very easy for the bank and NBFCs to analyze that if we will be providing loan to this particular sector, it is how much going to negatively impact to the environment. तो उसके ऊपर भी बात करेंगे. Next is SBI. State Bank of India notifications are going to be launched soon. We know that. And SBI started coming back to the news again and again. So from now onwards, you will be able to see the news of SBI almost in one alternate day. In every alternate day, we will be able to see the news regarding State Bank of India. So SBI increases the limit of, increase means they are going to increase the limit of instant loan scheme to the MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises. So what is the current limit can be a question, because they are planning to increase it. State Bank of India extended Amrit Kalash and Amrit Vrishti FD facility to subscription till 31st March 2025. Although these schemes were available till September, now it has been extended till 31st March 2025. What is the maturity period? What is the rate of interest of this FD? We'll see in the detail. Indian Overseas Bank launches new loan center across India, introduce heritage theme ATM in Chennai. So there are two different news regarding the same bank, Indian Overseas Bank. One is they are in process to implement the loan processing center across India. Second, heritage theme based ATM inaugurated by the bank in Chennai. Noel Tata will succeed Mr. Ratan Tata as the chairperson of Tata Trust. So who is going to be the next chairperson of Tata Trust? So answer is going to be Mr. Noel Tata. Noel Tata is the brother from another mother of Mr. Ratan Tata. So all the PDF will be available on this Telegram group, guys. You can just scan the code to join the Telegram group, get all the PDF, all the update from my side regarding current affairs. Any problem you are facing in GA, you can connect directly with me over the Telegram. Homework questions check कर लेते हैं. Very awesome questions I have given you in the last class based on the homework questions. So as per the monetary policy meeting October 2024, which of the following is not a new member of MPC? MPC के new member कौन नहीं है? So correct answer था Jayant R. Verma sir is not a new member of MPC. New members are S. Bhattacharya, Professor Ram Singh, and Mr. Nagesh Kumar. So these are the new members of Monetary Policy Committee appointed by Government of India. As per the Monetary Policy Committee, October 2024, UPI 123 pay per transaction limit increases to 10,000 rupees. So previously this limit was 5,000 rupee in the UPI 123 pay. Now it has been extended to 10,000 rupee, right? Next question, as per the Monetary Policy Meeting October 2024, UPI Lite per transaction and wallet recharge limit increased to how much? In which of the following? So UPI Lite wallet per transaction limit increased from 500 rupee to 1000 rupee. It has been increased from 500 rupee to 1000 rupee, right? इसका limit 500 से 1000 हो गया है. And after that, the limit of wallet recharge increased from 2000 rupee to 5000 rupee. Now remember, in any upcoming examination, when you see the question, do answer the limit which are announced now. These are going to be the limits, right? Few people answered in the recent examination of IBPS clerk 5,000 rupees. का आंसर 5,000 लगा कर आए हैं. It will be 10,000. That was already announced on 9th of October. तो 10,000 लिमिट होगा, not 5,000. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट है. सो हमारे TNA हीरोज के नाम नागेंद्र, मनु, चेरी, हरी, रचना, राम, आफ्टर दैट लमूरा, सबा, राजू जी, वेरी गुड यार. मिस्टर निट्स, आफ्टर दैट दिव्या, निखिल, ओके, कुमार, चैनल जी, AKM चैनल, मनी, जग्गी दुर्गा राव जी, अथिरा. बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर्स किया. वेरी गुड. फ्यूचर बैंकर, जूली, सरिता, अमन, राजनंदिनी, पंकज एंड अजीत. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर आंसर. शिल्पा, PK धाइया जी, आफ्टर दैट रॉबिसन, सुवेधा, हर्षा, जी के ऑनलाइन, श्रद्धा एंड नेहा. काफी लोगों ने आंसर्स किया. वेरी गुड. लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चंस फॉर टुमारो. इन September 2024, which edition of meeting of GST Council was chaired by Finance Minister of India? Second question, 54th edition of GST Council decided that on the GST portal, B2C invoice option will be available from which date? Third question, which article of Indian Constitution defines the formation of GST Council in India? तो ये हो गया 3 क्वेश्चन. One important information, RRB PO interview batch is live. Today also at 10 o'clock we will have a session based on the last year questions in this particular batch. So we have already started the sessions in the batch based on the last 5-year questions. I have designed the batch in detail. So each and every topic which is required to be prepared for your RRB PO interview will be covered within the batch in detail. We have created a personalized Telegram group, a separate Telegram group for all the students, those who are enrolled for this batch, to clear their doubts, to check their profile, everything, to support them the best possible way so they can get selected, to maximize their selection chances. So you can check the details and join the batch today itself. Join me live at 10 o'clock for the session in this batch. चलिए start करते हैं आज के news को. News number 1 regarding Reserve Bank of India. So RBI have announced that now the pre-verification facility of the recipient will be available in NEFT and RTGS. I'll make this news very simple. You guys do transfer money or make payment with the support of UPI, right? Whenever you scan the UPI, even QR code, you'll be able to see the name that this particular account linked with this name. So you are able to see the name of the account holder, right? Correct. This facility is called lookup facility. This facility is called lookup facility. इसे कहा जाता है lookup facility. So lookup facility is a facility where you will be able to verify the name of the account holder before transferring money. This lookup facility was available till now in UPI, in IMPS. But this lookup facility was not available in NEFT and RTGS. In the recent monetary policy on 9th of October, our Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Mr. Shaktikanta Das, have announced that lookup facility will be available in the NEFT and RTGS. Now it is implemented in this facility. So now lookup facility is implemented in the NEFT and RTGS in both the system. Is my point clear? Yeah. Guys, active in the chat box, it is necessary. If you understand that, okay, the news is clear, just give me confirmation. Yeah. So RTGS and NEFT, what is the minimum and maximum transaction limit of RTGS? So in case of RTGS, minimum limit is 2 lakh rupee, right? Maximum no limit, maximum no limit. And how many transactions done in RTGS? So RTGS is a continuous transaction facility. It is a continuous transaction facility. In the hustle batch, I have explained NEFT and RTGS, UPI, everything in detail very recently. Then National Electronic Fund Transfer, NEFT, there is no minimum transaction limit, no maximum transaction limit. So no minimum, no maximum limit is there in the NEFT, right? And in NEFT, we have total 48 transactions in a day, 48 transactions in a day, 30-minute each transaction. That is what the NEFT is. Moving to the next news. Reserve Bank of India planned to establish a data repository for integrating the climate risk information. So see, banks are offering loan. Just imagine if bank is offering loan for any leather manufacturing company. They are making the shoes from leather, or belt from leather, wallet from leather. So this leather manufacturing or processing industry or company will definitely emit carbon, CO2 emission. Carbon emission will be there from this particular company. I hope you are getting my point. So when bank is offering loan to increase their production capacity, when bank is providing loan to increase their business size, will also going to increase the carbon emission. Correct? But loan is also necessary. Otherwise, you cannot just shut down a particular sector. That is a problem with the business. You cannot just shut down a particular sector that no, it is a carbon emission sector, so just shut it down. You need to find the alternative. So for this purpose, Reserve Bank of India is creating climate risk information system. Climate risk information system. It is going to be a data repository, collection of the data regarding all the businesses, all the information that, okay, SBI, you have provided last year this much amount of money to these industries, and from these industries this much amount of carbon emission we have observed. I hope you are getting my point. So in future, SBI will be able to understand, okay, how much amount of loan, how to keep balance, that this much amount, if I am providing $5 million or 5 million rupee I am providing to the sector from where carbon emission is has done, so at least the same amount of money I need to provide to the renewable energy sector to manage net zero carbon emission. तो उसमें help होगा बैंक and NBFCs को, that bank and NBFCs will be able to create their policies properly. Now, in February 2024, Reserve Bank of India issues a guideline that every bank and NBFC needs to give the disclosure that how much amount of loan they are provided or how much amount of investment funding they have done in one financial year, and after that from there how much carbon emission have been done. तो ये आपका हो गया news number 2. Is this clear? Yeah. Next one. Banking and financial news category, State Bank of India to increase the limit of instant loan for the MSME sector. So in the MSME sector, currently the loan limit is 5 crore rupees. So there is a scheme of State Bank of India that is called MSME Sahaj. MSME Sahaj. MSME Sahaj is end-to-end digital invoice finance facility that micro, small, medium enterprises, those who are doing the business on GST invoice, those who are registered with GST. So this based on the GST invoice, micro, small, medium enterprises can immediately borrow the loan from State Bank of India under MSME Sahaj. Currently, the limit under this facility is maximum 5 crore. Now SBI is planning to increase this limit from 5 crore to how much they have not decided yet. अभी तक SBI ने अनाउंस नहीं किया है कि 5 करोड़ से बढ़ाकर वो कितना करेंगे, but it is going to be increased from 5 crore, that is announced by the State Bank of India now. This facility is called MSME Sahaj, and MSME Sahaj is a invoice finance facility. Invoice finance facility means I have sold the product of 50 lakh rupee to a vendor. Vendor asked me that, sir, I will make the payment in 45 days. They need 45 days time to make the payment. So now what I can do for my current working capital, I can put this invoice in the bank, this 40 lakh rupee invoice in the bank, and against this invoice I can get the money. This is called invoice financing facility. Is my point clear, guys? SBI aim to open, another good news for all the people, SBI aim to open 600 new branches in the current financial year, expanding their extending business of 22,542 branches as of March 2024. So 600 new branches they have announced. SBI serve customers around 65,000 ATMs in India and 85,000 business correspondent in India. तो 85,000 बिजनेस करस्पॉन्डेंट हैं, 65,000 ATMs हैं SBI के, and 22,542 currently branches are there. 600 new branches announced by State Bank of India just said that it is going to increase the total number of recruitment by the State Bank of India in the current financial year. Clear है? Who is the chairman of SBI currently? Write down in the chat box. फटाफट से लिखिए who is the current chairman of State Bank of India who have made all these announcements recently. Another news, SBI extended Amrit Kalash, Amrit Vishti FD facility till 31st March 2025. So State Bank of India extended Amrit Kalash and Amrit Vishti FD facility till 31st March 2025. Originally these schemes were available till 30th of September 2024. Now it has been extended till March 2025. Amrit Kalash was launched in Feb 2023, offering the FD facility for 400 days. So Amrit Kalash का जो maturity period है, that is 400 days. 10% per annum for the general customer, 60% per annum for the senior citizens. वो सब याद रखने का इतना. Rate of interest is not important actually. Maturity you can remember, names you can remember, and the extended tenure, that is more than enough. So Amrit Kalash, Amrit Vrishti. So these facilities have been extended till 31st March 2025. Amrit Vrishti is a FD facility of 444 days, while Amrit Kalash is a FD facility for 400 days. So Amrit Kalash 400, Amrit Vrishti 444 days. Now both the scheme extended till 31st March 2025. ये आपके पास पॉइंट हो गया, ठीक है. आगे आ जाइए. CS Shetty sir, very good. So Chella Srinivasulu Shetty sir is the current chairperson of State Bank of India. SBI CFO is Kameshwar Rao Kudavanti. Mutual Fund Samsher Singh, Abhijit Chakravarti Card Payment, Naveen Jha General Insurance, SBI Life Insurance Mr. Amit Jingran, SBI Capital Marketplace Virendra Bansal, SBI Capital Venture Limited Mr. Prem Prabhakar. So these are the authorities in the State Bank of India at present. Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI announced SBI Life as an official partner for BCCI domestic international season from the year 23 to 26. It was the announcement made in September 2023. SBI Life Insurance have unveiled the new digital film to support the Indian contingent in Paralympic. This film named as Irade. So Irade was the name of the movie. That is a small short film that was launched by SBI Life Insurance to support and promote our Indian contingent in the Paralympic 2024. I hope the news are clear, statements are clear. Yes. Moving to the next one. आगे चलते हैं अगले न्यूज की तरफ. Next न्यूज की तरफ. So Indian Overseas Bank launches a new loan centers across India. Introduced the heritage theme ATM in Chennai. So there are two news. News number 1, news number 2. One by one we'll discuss them. So Indian Overseas Bank inaugurated 8 new retail loan processing center across India. So in India, in the different locations like major cities like Bangalore, Coimbatore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, in all these major cities, recently Indian Overseas Bank started their new loan processing center. So 8 such sectors started by Indian Overseas Bank. These loan processing centers will be a type of specialized small branches which will be focused completely on processing of loan, offering of the loan product, offering of the credit card facilities. Such facilities will be available. The initiative enhance the customer experience and improve the service delivery for the retail customer. Apart from that, Indian Overseas Bank inaugurated heritage theme ATM at Purachi in MGR, Dr. MGR Central Railway Station in Chennai. So Chennai Central Railway Station recently heritage theme based ATM was inaugurated by which bank? So correct answer is Indian Overseas Bank. So Indian Overseas Bank founded in the year 1937, Chennai, Tamil Nadu headquarter. Mr. Ajay Kumar Srivastava is the MD and CEO. Good people to grow with is the tagline. So good people to go with is the tagline. Sir, do we have any interview batch for LBO? Yes, we have a separate batch for LBO that will be started from 25th of October. 25th October से start कर रहे हैं batch को. So 25th of October is going to be the start date for your LBO batch. Separate classes will be done apart from RRB. RRB batch is going to be separate. LBO batch is going to be separate. तो अलग से चलेगा आपका batch. Don't worry. So Indian Overseas Bank introduced My Account, My Name for the saving account facility. And Indian Overseas Bank inaugurated a new exclusive branch at Anna Salai, that is Mount Road, Chennai, dedicated entirely to the startups. So these were the news regarding Indian Overseas Bank. Moving to the next news. आते हैं अगले news की तरफ. Life Insurance Corporation reduces the maximum age limit for new endowment plan from 55 years to 50 years. So in the new endowment plan, that is plan 1914, anyone who want to go for the endowment plan are the plan which provide you protection and saving both. Protection means it will offer you insurance coverage, apart from that a type of retirement fund. So insurance coverage and retirement fund both are available in this endowment plan. So for the endowment plan, maximum age to join endowment plan have decreased by Life Insurance Corporation. Previously the limit was 55 years. Age up to 55, one was allowed to join the endowment plan of LIC, but now it has been decreased to 50 years. तो इन्होंने उसको कम कर दिया है. Minimum age to enter into the plan is 80 years. So now endowment plan of LIC will be available from the 80 year to 50 years. So 8 to 50 year will be the age group for joining the endowment plan of LIC. This is the news. I hope the statements are clear. So LIC founded in the year 1956, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarters. Siddharth Mohanty sir is the MD and CEO. Next news regarding the GDP prediction. Center for Monitoring Indian Economy projects financial year 2025 GDP growth rate at 6.95%. So the gross GDP production of India, the gross GDP, this projection for India, 6.95% for the current financial year, according to the forecasted by 28 agencies, and which is 25 basis point lower than the projection by the Reserve Bank of India. So RBI prediction is 7.2%, while Center for Monitoring the Indian Economy, that is called in short CMIE. So according to CMIE, Indian economy GDP rate will be 6.9%. Now you do not have any means examination for the next few days. So again, this GDP data will be important very near to your IBPS PU means examination with all the updates. So I'll give you the complete list. I have given you at the time of RRB PU, RRB clerk also. So I'll give you again at the time of IBPS PU means as well that what are the GDP prediction. So currently you can just cover it. No need to learn these news. Why? Because they are going to get updated again before the examination. Next one. Minority shareholder accuses SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India for collision of ICICI Securities in delisting process. So ICICI Securities, this company want to delist them from the stock market, in which SEBI have given the approval that okay, you can delist yourself, not a problem. But two fund houses, that is Quantum Mutual Fund and Manu Rishi Gupta, these two organizations, you can say that, or the shareholders in ICICI Securities, challenged the delisting in front of NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. National Company Law Tribunal is the specialized court to discuss the NPA related cases of corporate NPA related cases, corporate dispute related cases with the bank or dispute related cases with the bonds. So such type of cases heard by NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. So Mumbai bench of NCLT have approved the securities, this ICICI security delisting. मैं एक बार फिर से बोल देता हूँ. It is a very simple news, but it look like very complicated. See, ICICI Security is a company. This company was listed in the stock market. Due to loss and all, they wanted to come out of the stock market. SEBI approved them. Now there are two investors in ICICI Securities. They went to court. That why this delisting? What is the reason behind it? How they can suddenly decrease the price of their equity? It is a huge loss to us. So they are facing loss. Quantum Mutual Fund, Manu Rishi Gupta. So they are facing losses. So they went to court to challenge the decision to delist the company from the stock market, which is already approved by SEBI. And surprisingly, Quantum Mutual Fund and Manu Rishi Gupta have challenged SEBI also, that SEBI have a different type of or a type of favor. SEBI have done a type of favor for ICICI Security to get delisted. But as of now, NCLT was in the favor of SEBI. NCLT ने SEBI का ही favor किया है and they have said that no, delisting will be continued. तो ये overall news है. Rare chances they will ask any question, but I wanted to share with you in the form of information. Adobe. Everyone heard the name of Adobe. You guys are using Adobe Reader also for the PDF and all, right? So Adobe expand AI capability with the Firefly video model in the public beta version. So AI now came with the artificial intelligence video generator facility, the first AI video generator facility of Adobe. So Adobe came with the first AI video generator facility. Name is Firefly video model. Name is Firefly video model. So it will be supporting over 100 languages, allowing global user to create the content that is safe for the commercial use also. So for the content creation, video creation, with the support of artificial intelligence, one can use this Firefly video model. So what is the name of this product? The product name is Firefly video model. What it is? It is a first AI, artificial intelligence video generator that is launched by Adobe. Adobe ने launch किया. It will be available on 100 plus languages. So it will be safe for commercial use because it built on the content of the company and have right to use. So इनका कहना है कि there will be no copyright issue. You can make the videos over it and they will be different from each other. There will be no copyright issue. Copyright issue will not be there in this. So every model will be different from the other model. If you will make two videos on the same topic, every video will be different from other video. So there will be no copyright issue. This is what Adobe said. Adobe founded in the year 1982. California is the headquarter and Santanu Narayan sir, who is an Indian, is the CEO of the company at present. Company के CEO हैं. Point clear है sir? आते हैं appointment news पर. Appointment news. Noel Tata succeeded Ratan Tata, appointed as the chairperson of the Tata Trust. As I have told you previously, he is the half brother of Ratan Tata. Half brother means the father of Ratan Tata and the father of Noel Tata, Mr. Noel Tata was the father of both. So Mr. Noel Tata was the father of both. So Noel Tata sir have the two marriages. So Mr. Noel Tata is the son from the second marriage. I hope you got my point. So Noel Tata is currently a trustee of Sir Derojibai Tata Trust and Sri Ratan Tata Trust. So he is the trustee of both the trust. Now he is going to be appointed as the chairperson of Tata Trust. Tata Trust के chairperson के form में अब ये appoint होने जा रहे हैं. He is already involved in the Tata business from long time. It is not a case like he was not involved in the business. There is one cloth brand of Tata, right? What it is called? Zudio. Zudio is the brainchild of Noel Tata. Zudio is the brainchild of Noel Tata. इनका ही दिमाग का product था that we need to move into this category, and you have seen the growth of Zudio and the expansion of Zudio. कि cloth market में भी they are doing very great, right? They are doing very great. Yeah. किशोर गुप्ता जी पूछ रहे हैं why Tata didn't married. अब कोई मतलब नहीं है उस बारे में डिस्कशन करने का that why the Tata sir have not got married. He don't want it to be. Everyone is not made for marriage. So there are few people in the world, those who are feeling like that they don't want to get married. So that is why he didn't marry. MD of Nestle India Limited, recently Mr. Manish Tiwari have appointed. President of Advertising Agency Association of India, Mr. Prashant Kumar appointed. Head of BCCI Anti-Corruption Unit, Mr. Sarath Kumar appointed recently IPS officer and retired. The first woman DG of Armed Force Medical Services, Aarti Sharin ma'am. The CMD of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, Mr. Ajit Kumar Saxena additional charge मिला है. And Chief of National Crime Record Bureau, Mr. Alok Ranjan. So these are the recent appointment in India. Appointment list है India का, ठीक है. आगे आ जाइए. Mr. Manoj Kumar Dubey appointed as the MD and CEO of IRFC. IRFC के नए MD and CEO appoint हुए. What is IRFC? It is Indian Railway Financial Corporation. Indian Railway Financial Corporation is a key company of Indian Railway which manage all the financial transactions of railway, plan for the financial framework of railway. This is what the task of Indian Railway Financial Corporation. So Indian Railway Financial Corporation new managing director and CEO is Mr. Manoj Kumar Dubey sir. So Manoj Kumar Dubey ji appoint हुए हैं आपके Indian Railway Financial Corporation के new CEO. So this is another point. एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. Chairperson of Tata Trust is Mr. Noel Tata. CEO of Government E-Marketplace, Mr. L. Satya Srinivasan. Additional charge मिला है अभी recently. MD of Nestle India Limited, Mr. Manish Tiwari. President of Advertising Association of India is Mr. Prashant Kumar. Head of BCCI Anti-Corruption Unit is Mr. Sarath Kumar, retired IPS officer है. Srinivasan sir got the additional charge of GEM portal, GEM portal, GEM portal. That is the procurement portal of Government of India. So Mr. L. Satya Srinivasan sir, Additional Secretary Department of Commerce, have taken the additional charge of the CEO of procurement portal called GEM, Government E-Marketplace. So Government E-Marketplace is a portal of Government of India that work under Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Yeah, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So it work under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and this portal will be led by L. Satya Srinivasan sir for some time, or maybe he will be appointed permanently as the CEO for this organization. So GEM portal was launched on 9th of August 2016, from where all the government ministry, government department can buy the product with the support of Indian companies, with the support of Indian MSMEs. So for example, Defense Ministry want to buy furniture for their new office. So this furniture will be available on GEM portal. They can buy directly from the GEM portal. On the GEM portal, different Indian furniture manufacturing MSMEs, furniture manufacturing self-help group, furniture manufacturing small companies will be listed, and they will show their product. So Ministry of Defense can directly buy from them. This is what the GEM portal is, GEM portal is. So portal was launched in the year 2016. I hope the statement is clear. Next one. S. Parmesh sir assumed charge as the new Director General of Indian Coast Guard. So Mr. S. Parmesh have officially taken charge as the Director General of Indian Coast Guard in the headquarters located in New Delhi. We'll talk about the recent appointment. Chief of Defence Staff is Mr. Anil Chauhan sir. Chief of Army Staff is Mr. Upendra Dwivedi. Replace किया था मनोज पांडे sir को. Chief of Air Staff recently appointed Mr. Amarpreet Singh. Amarpreet Singh sir recently appointed, right? Chief of Naval Staff Dinesh Kumar Tripathi ji. Raja Subramani sir appointed recently as the Vice Chief of Army Staff. Mr. Vikas Lakhera have taken the charge as the Director General of Assam Rifles. More revision regarding the defense appointment we are going to do again tomorrow in the form of MCQs. I will revise the MCQs from tomorrow onwards. So Australia's new working holiday visa program for the Indian youth. So Indian youth between the age group of 18 to 30 years, जो भी 18 से 30 के बीच के हैं, they will be able to get the work and holiday visa from Australia for the duration of 1 year. Repeat करता हूँ अच्छे से आराम से. So Australia came with a policy in which India get also involved now. This policy is called working holiday visa. This is a visa that will be provided for the duration of 1 year for the people, those who went to Australia for doing the job for the duration of maximum 1 year, or those who are student went to Australia for some short-term course where the validity of the course is for 1 year, or it can be utilized for the student, those who went to Australia in the form of tourist or tourism purpose, so they can also get this visa. So the duration of visa will be 1 year. It will be available for the age group of 18 to 30. Based on age group, are you qualified or not? Do write in the chat box. आप qualify हो रहे हो कि नहीं हो रहे हो इसमें, तो वो बताना chat box में. And it's a request, those who have joined the session late, please watch the session again from the starting onwards. We have already discussed lots of banking and financial news, RBI circular, RBI news, so उनको भी cover करना है आपको, ठीक है. The news was related to Australia. Australia have announced the new working holiday visa program for the Indian youth, available for the age group of 18 to 30 years. It will increase the ties between the relationship between India and Australia. So it is going to increase the economic relation between India and Australia. So for this visa, cost will be around $650 with the additional $25 registration fees. So total $675 need to pay to get this visa. इस वीजा के लिए जो है $675 पे करना पड़ेगा. And India joined working holiday marker program of Australia on 16th of September 2024, became the 50th partner company of this initiative, under which they offer such type of 1 year short visa. Next one, Odisha government introduced Gramodaya scheme for the welfare initiative for the villages affected by the left wing extremist. So a type of Naxal problem, a type of Naxal problem, the areas, the districts which are facing in Odisha, for such district, for such area, the scheme called Gramodaya launched by Odisha government. So Gramodaya launched by Odisha government. It will be implemented in 583 villages across 10 left-wing extremist affected districts in the Odisha. So 10 district, 583 villages, this scheme will be implemented. The scheme is an initiative by Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water Department, announced by Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manjhi recently, along with the Union Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi. So primary aim is to facilitate, provide the different initiatives of Government of India, support of Government of India in such areas, providing them the basic facilities of drinking water facility, food, road, and after that your electricity. Such basic facility will be offered in these villages in the 10 district of Odisha. तो हमको याद रखना है ग्रामोदय scheme launched by which state governments? Odisha. Next, BSNL to roll out indigenous 4G by May 2024. Already the duration have passed, and 5G facility by June 2025. So BSNL aimed 1 lakh 4G site across India by mid of 2025. BSNL have already installed 80,000 towers by end of October 2024. They are in process to installing 80,000 towers in India by end of October 2024, and remaining 21,000 by March 2025. So they have target for 1 lakh towers in India. BSNL is in process to implement or install 1 lakh towers in India. It will increase the network capability of BSNL properly. So the benefit is expansion, allow the faster download, improve the television streaming facility as well. So BSNL also want to offer the 4G, 5G facility, very similar to like Jio is offering or Airtel is offering, so similar to that. So BSNL have planned for 5G technology to switch completely to the 5G technology by June 2025. Those who are already using the BSNL SIM card, they can apply and exchange their SIM card with the updated ones. So आपको अपना SIM card update करना पड़ेगा. India became the 6th country in the world to transition of 5G with its own technology. That 5G में transition लेने वाली own technology पर India is the 6th country in the world. So BSNL founded in the year 2000. New Delhi is the headquarter. Robert J. Ravi is the chairperson of the BSNL at present. Next news related to the asset monetization target. What is the meaning of asset monetization target? Just imagine you have a car and you are not driving it at all from the last 6 months. Now 6 months are over. You need to pay the insurance amount every year. You need to send your car for the purpose of maintenance every year. So there is a fixed expenditure which you need to do with your car every year. Now with the support of multiple applications like Zoom car, Savari, etc., what you can do, you can put your car on rent. Self drive, that someone who want to take the car in this particular city, you can put your car on rent. So that person will take your car, he will drive for a day, he will put the petrol, he will drive for a day, and at end of the day, whatever the time duration they have selected, they will return your car, and for that they will make the payment. So it means the product which was not in use, you started utilizing that product. This is called asset monetization. इसे कहा जाता है asset monetization. ठीक है? Asset monetization. Similar facility of asset monetization offered by Government of India, implemented by Government of India with the public sector undertaking PSUs, PSBs properties. So there are lots of properties in India under NTPC, BHEL, HAL, BSNL, which are not in use. So these properties provided by Government of India on rent to the corporate houses. This facility is called asset monetization, from where government is able to generate profit. I hope you are getting my point. So they are not going to sell the property. It will be given on rent to the corporate for a fixed duration. This process is called asset monetization. So asset monetization target of 2025 increases by 23,000 crore. Previously it was around 1.67 lakh crore rupee. Now it is 1.9 lakh crore. So 1.9 lakh crore rupees the asset monetization target for the current financial year. There was a target or goal of 6 lakh crore rupee in the duration of 4 years. So this asset monetization was launched in August 2021 and kept the target to generate 6 lakh crore rupee by this asset monetization in the duration of 4 years. Although government is not able to achieve the target ईयर ऑन ईयर, सरकार ने हर साल टारगेट जो है मिस किया है अपना, उतना टारगेट वो अचीव नहीं कर पाए. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल आउटकम विल कम फ्रॉम दिस. फॉर द करंट फाइनेंशियल ईयर टारगेट हैव रिसेंटली इंक्रीज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट बाय 23,000 एक्स्ट्रा. So now the new target for the current financial year is 1.9 lakh crore rupees. This is the target for current year, this year target. In the first 3 years, government have achieved 3.9 lakh crore while the target was 4.3 lakh crore. So 50,000 crore was the shorter amount. Now the overall target will be definitely shorted by around 20,000 crore. But for this year the target increased to 1.9 lakh crore rupee. Clear हुआ ये facility overall? What is asset monetization? Is it clear or not clear? What is asset monetization? Quickly write in the chat box that it is clear or not clear. Next, India signed 3.3 billion contract with US for MQ-9B Predator drones. So these are the technology based drones, and it is very helpful for saving the life of Indian soldiers. So there is no direct technology of transfer in this deal. General Atomics will collaborate with DRDO and other Indian company to develop the indigenous heavy duty drone. So India is set to measure 3.3 billion, that is around 28,000 crore defense deal with United Nations for 31 MQ-9B Predator drones. So these are the drones, defense drones, which can even do attack over the enemies if required in the duration. It can work over the surveillance, long distance surveillance, intelligence. So for all of these things it can work. And if certain type of strikes conducted by India on the other countries, in case it is required, so it will be very helpful. India will deploy these drones in the strategic ISR mission of Indian Ocean origin, where the China is expanding their naval influence. तो चाइना के naval influence को समझने के लिए we will be installing it. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है इंडिया टू होस्ट जूनियर वर्ल्ड कप फॉर शूटिंग इन द ईयर 2025. इंडिया कंटिन्यू टू बी द सिग्निफिकेंट फोर्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड शूटिंग, not only with the talented athlete but also with the commitment of expanding the sports in the infrastructure area also. Mr. Kalikesh Narayan Singh Deo, President of National Rifle Association of India, was presented during the occasion was present during the occasion, and he have announced that India is going to host Junior World Cup of shooting in the year 2025. 2025 में Junior World Cup of shooting will be conducted by India. We'll see the sports upcoming event, Asia Track Cycling Championship 2025 hosted by India, FIFA Club World Cup 2025 USA, Kho World Cup 2025 India, AFC Women Asia Cup 2026 Australia, FIFA World Cup Women 2027 Brazil, World Athletics Championship Beijing China. After that, AFC Women Asia Cup 2029 Uzbekistan. So these are the few important events, sports event conducted in the upcoming years. After that, Nobel Prize, the last one which was remaining, Nobel Prize in the field of economics have been announced. So Simon, 3 people have been honored with this: Mr. Daron, Mr. Simon and Robinson. Demon Simon Robinson, मैंने ये याद कर लिया, Daron Simon Robinson, Daron Simon Robinson. So Daron Simon Robinson honored with the Nobel Prize in economics. Daron Simon Robinson honored with the Nobel Prize in the field of economics for the studies of how institutions are formed and affect prosperity. So how the institutions are formed, how the companies and institutions are formed and affect the prosperity. This is the theme. Very basic concept, but definitely they have done a very huge work over it. That is why, like big corporate houses, how they started impacting the prosperity in the world, and this income imbalance generated, that some people are earning very high, some people are earning very low. This is all because of the institutions in the world. So based on that, they have done the research. Names are Daron, Simon and Robinson. Daron, Simon and Robinson. So Daron is a Turkish-American economist, Mr. Daron, and Simon is a British economist, British-American economist. So Turkish-American, British-American, Turkish-American, British-American and American. So these are mostly, all 3 are American only. So Mr. Daron, Simon and James Robinson. Daron, Simon, James Robinson. So these are the 3 people. Names are easier on this side. This year in Nobel Prize altogether, names are easy compared to the previous Nobel Prizes. So इस साल थोड़े आसान है नाम. Now I'll be making a separate video based on the Nobel Prize with the tricks, so you can remember the names. If you have certain trick, do write in the comment box. I'll pick your trick only with your name. ठीक है? Gujarat, a company based in Gujarat. Company name is Jubilant Ingrevia. Jubilant Ingrevia is the name of a company that is located in Gujarat. This company recently included in the World Economic Forum Global Lighthouse Network. So Global Lighthouse Network are the companies which are working over artificial intelligence, the companies which are using artificial intelligence for the better climate in the world. In such manner they are working to decrease the carbon emission and climate sustainability. So such companies comes under the category of Global Lighthouse Network. Already from India we have the company like Renew, which is a Gurugram based company, Cipla, which is a pharma company, Seat, which is a tire manufacturing company, Dr. Reddy again, which is a pharma company, and Mon Sat International, Unilever, everyone heard the name, FMCG company, right? Unilever. After that, ACG, Schneider Electric and Tata Steel. So these are the companies which are already there in the list. A new company have been included. Company name is Jubilant. Company name is Jubilant Ingrevia. Jubilant Ingrevia, which is a company of Gujarat. This company recently included in the World Economic Forum Lighthouse Network. Just the details regarding that is available. 10 countries are the part of this network. 10 countries are the part of this network. Rank of India in the Global Hunger Index is very, very bad. Very, very bad. So the rank of India is 105. In 2024 Global Hunger Index faces serious hunger crisis. Now the data says that 35% children under the age 5 are stunted. that is lower weight as compared to their height, and indicating the chronic malnutrition, matlab kuposhan. So that is a problem in 35% student, 35% children under the age 5. 18.7% children are wasted, means worst situation than stunted. Low weight for height indicating acute malnutrition. बहुत बुरी हालत है, बहुत ही खराब हालत है. And 2.9% children in India die before their 5th birthday. Means around 2.9% children in India, means out of 100, around 3 children in India died before their 5th birthday. So very, very dangerous data have been shared by the United Nations regarding this global hunger index, and rank of India is 105. 13.7% population is undernourished in India, and the worst nations in the world, if we'll talk about the overall worst nations in the world, so Somalia is at the lowest position, that is 127, Yemen 126, Chad 125, Madagascar 124, and Congo 123. So these are the bottom 5 nations, these are the bottom 5 nations. So 105 इसका, India का rank है 105, ठीक है. Yes, Nobel Prize I'll be making a separate video, definitely I'll be making a separate video. Next one, ISRO chairperson S. Somnath sir received prestigious Indian Air Force Space Award 2024 for the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Chandrayaan-3 mission is the same mission under which the Indian lunar mission was successfully, Chandrayaan-3 was landed over the south pole of moon, and India became the first country in the world to land it over the south pole of moon, right? World Student Day, 15th of October 2024. So 15th October celebrated in the form of World Student Day. Belated Happy Student Day to all of you. World Student Day celebrated, established by the United Nations in the memory of Missile Man of India, who was born on the same day in the year 1931. So 15th of October is the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. This year theme was empowering student to be the agent of change. Empowering student to be the agent of change. कि आप अपने students को empower करो, and the change you will be able to see in the world. Dr. Kalam received Bharat Ratna Award, which is the highest civilian award of India. Apart from that, he is already honored with Padam Bhushan, Padam Vibhushan, which is the second and third highest honor in India. World Food Day observed on 16th of October. Do you know what is the ranking of India in Hunger Index 2024? If yes, do write in the chat box. So World Food Day observed on 16th of October. Right to food for better life, better future is the theme of 2024. FAO, which is an international organization under United Nations called Food and Agriculture Organization, established in the year 1945 to have a confirmation or a surety that everyone will have the right to food in the world. So right to food for the better life and future is the theme of 2024. 16th of October celebrated in the form of World Food Day. PDF you will be able to see within a minute after this session over this Telegram group. So join the Telegram group for the PDF purpose. If anyone else is looking for the support system in general awareness, interview preparation, you can inform that they can join Aditya sir for hustle batch for general awareness, all upcoming examination, IBP, SPO, SBI, PO, SBI clerk, etc. And RRB PO interview batch is live separately, and our LBO batch, local bank officer batch, live separately for the Indian bank. So these batches are separate. Every time we launch a separate dedicated batch for interview, so we can keep complete focus over that interview instead of doing some generic things around the interviews. तो generic का काम नहीं है, आज का duration है, timeline है, where you need to be completely focused on a particular goal. So for that you will be able to see the batches. Join the batch today itself. Start your preparation with Aditya sir. Do not miss to like the session, share the session, and comment in the comment box. I'll be back live tomorrow morning 8 AM. So do not miss to join me live tomorrow morning 8 AM. Till that time, keep watching Guidely. Take care. Jai Hind.